Do you want to start your own balcony garden but don't know where to begin? Balcony gardening can provide fresh produce, improve mental health, and offer the joy of cultivating your own plants. Don't worry, in the next few minutes you'll learn how to create your own mini oasis. First, let's talk about planning your garden. Your balcony's sunlight exposure, local climate, and your personal taste in plants are all critical considerations. High-light plants won't survive in a shady corner, and that succulent might struggle in a rainy climate. Make sure you have good drainage to prevent waterlogged roots. If you're short on space, no worries. Containers or vertical gardening can help maximize your balcony's potential. Remember, the key to a successful balcony garden is to plan well. Now let's move on to choosing the right plants. Consider factors like sunlight requirement, size, and maintenance level. If you're just starting out, opt for easy growers like succulents, herbs, or marigolds. Choose plants that you love, but also consider their suitability for your balcony. Once you've chosen your plants, it's time to get your hands dirty. Begin by preparing your soil and pots. A good mix of potting soil and compost works wonders. Next, plant your seeds or seedlings, ensuring they're at the right depth. Now water them lightly. Caring for your plants is like nurturing a relationship. Regular watering, a dose of fertilizer every few weeks, and vigilant pest control are key. Remember, the health of your plants is in your hands. With proper care, your plants will thrive and your balcony garden will flourish. So, are you ready to start your own balcony garden? Now that we've walked through the planning, choosing the right plants, and the planting and care process, it's your turn to get started. Remember, it's a learning journey filled with trials and errors, and that's perfectly okay. It's all part of the gardening adventure. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!